It can transfer your money to a different person if it's agent for banking.
It was not a bug or a system failure. It was an agent doing exactly what it was manipulated to do.
You connect the metrics to the real world, and if agent goes wrong, it can be a total disaster.
We live surrounded by AI agents, booking flights, managing finances, writing code. They promise progress and convenience, and we trust them with everything. But trust has a cost. What happens when autonomy meets malicious actors?
Agentic AI works by reasoning. Unlike traditional AI, which just follow a strict set of instructions, agentic system can actually make their own decisions.
It's called reasoning. It's chain of thought, and it can take shortcuts and even unsafe paths just to reach the goal. It can pay thousands of dollars deposit because of the indirect prompt injection inside the description of the restaurant, and you just asked it to book a table.
And that's just for a single person. Imagine it happening for thousands or millions. This is the kind of risk companies now put themselves in.
We hack foundational models and agentic systems to find flaws and help companies. One of the customers has released an agent to the production, and we started testing it. So what we do, we create different agents. We create hundreds of simulations of different scenarios in a controlled environment, and we start different attacks. And we found that its reasoning chain can be affected by using internal tags. We understood that we can manipulate the reasoning itself by using those tags by ourselves as part of the prompt injection. And then we managed to take full control over the chain of thought of the model itself, make it perform anything we want.
You can think about it as the movie Inception, where you trick a victim into believing that a foreign idea was his own while it wasn't. The danger is that even benign agent can perform unpredictable action and cause harm.
When you put something in the production, you affect millions, if not billions, of potential clients and users. They will stop trusting the company. We reached out to the company and we worked together in order to mitigate this vulnerability and prevent users and companies from being attacked and exploited.
Every new technology introduces new behaviors, and if we don't understand those before release, they can be and will be exploited.